are working on a preview of what's to come for 250-year celebration of America.
And keep in mind, this is just a preview.
Yes.
Because we really have no idea what Dollywood has in store all through July 1st through July 4th, maybe even July 5th. But we know the decorations have started going up, and we thought it'd be fun to do this patriotic Dollywood walkthrough on this Adventure That Rocks. Oh, say, can you see?
Let me take a picture.
Up here by the train station, you'll see how it's getting decorated in red, white, and blue. Iron Horse Pizza getting into the red, white, and blue action. The Dollywood Water Tower. More of the train station all decorated. Now we would show you the train right there. However, it's not running today. But that doesn't mean we don't have a clip of the train decorated with the flags provided by Life with the Love Days. You really gotta check them out, and I'm gonna put a link in the description down below for them. Temple's Mercantile. As you can see, it's decorated along with the toy and train souvenir store.
Oh, I like those. Those are pretty.
Inside the train souvenir store, you will find these Dollywood 1986 tank tops. Also, these Dollywood pins with the train and the American flag for $9.99. Sandy is absolutely in love with these tumblers. We even found this sparkly necklace for $14.99. Found these fun kid shorts. Klondike Katie getting into the red, white, and blue action. Thank you, Sandy. Carousel is decorated. Window displays are starting to get decked out in red, white, and blue.
And even the festival shops are getting ready with red, white, and blue stuff. I even spotted a Dolly for President shirt back there.
Let's check this out. As Sandy was saying, Dolly for President. You can get a sweatshirt or a t-shirt. What would Dolly do? Dolly for President tumblers. Red, white, and blue caps.
And you
What are
gotta love
holding,
these.
Sandy? The red, white, and
bear
blue
ears.
bear ears.
For the kids raised on Dolly, red, white, and blue. And then these tumblers,
With
fireworks.
all on them.
And you gotta love these guys. They're so soft. $9.99 with a little cowboy hat. I like his little pink cheeks. And another hat. And then look down there. You've got stars with feet and happy faces.
This is another one of the festival shops with more merchandise preparing to celebrate 250 years of America. Nothing says America more, I believe, than a Dollywood American flag fanny pack. Wig-looking hat to your eagles.
Oh, look at the neon flags.
Light up America flags. As Sandy is demonstrating a USA. Is that a jersey, Sandy, or a shirt?
No, it's lace.
Oh.
I think I was just, yeah, it's kind of see-through too.
Very
you're
Dolly-esque.
You're gonna want to wear a tank top under that.
Says you.
Says me. What's that say? Oh, USA.
USA.
That's a t-shirt.
1776 shirts. Be Kind hats. Just all kinds of stuff to get you in that patriotic spirit.
Check out these shoes. I really like them. I don't know which one I would like though. Maybe, I wonder if you could get one red and one blue.
I don't know, but yeah, look at these shoes.
Aren't they cool? And the sparkly laces? I like the sparkly laces.
And you can get this in the store with the water wheel.
Out here at Craftsman Valley, it's loaded with American flags. Everywhere you look, you see them.
Nothing says America like cinnamon bread, Sandy.
Oh.
So I'm gonna go get some and we'll be right back.
Okay.
Sea Creek Leather and Hat Company is getting into the action. You can really get all decked out
Wow,
in
look
the
at
American
that.
flag in here, Sandy.
That's cute.
The American flags are flying out here at Cozy Bear Cove. You know Valley Forge Blacksmith is gonna be representing the red, white, and blue. Sandy has told me inside the Valley Hat Shop, they have more than just hats. From your USA shirts to what Sandy found, your USA boots.
No.
I thought you were showing me the boots.
Look at that hat.
Oh, okay. I still think she really meant to show me the boots.
I don't think those are real boots.
Not real boots. Sometimes I'm a ding dong. At least I admit it when I'm wrong. Can't believe they're not real boots. Not patriotic, but I've never seen this shirt before. Dollywood, not my first rodeo. I gotta admit, I kind of want that shirt. It is on sale, 30% off, but they don't have one in my size. Found this hat here inside the general store I did. Oh yeah. I gotta say, I'm loving the whole patriotic spirit out here at Dollywood. Red, white, and blue adorning the Wings of America show. Did you know they had a red-tailed hawk named Dolly?
Beautiful.
Sandy, where can people go to find out more information about Dollywood and the Smoky Mountains?
Well, we have another page that's specific and focused on this area, the Smoky Mountains, especially because we live here. But it's called The Smoky Mountain Life, and we also have a Facebook group specific for Dollywood called Dollywood News and Updates.
We're gonna put links to those in the description down below. Sandy, I'm hearing that Country Fair is completely decked out in red, white, and blue.
Really? I see a little bit. I saw the flags, and I certainly do see this entry sign.
Yeah, and the rides down there, and yeah, the flags. We are gonna cover everything in a full 4th of July style video as it gets closer to that time. I just wanted to give everyone a preview of what was going on out here at Dollywood.
Sounds like a plan.
If you haven't hit that like and subscribe yet,
What you waiting for?
because you really never know where we're gonna end up next. However, you can be sure if it has anything to do with fun in the Smoky Mountains, we're gonna make it
An adventure that rocks.
See you real soon.